Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Fuller Kamara. Today we're going to discuss the Excel function called flash fill. So flash fill is a feature in Microsoft Excel that allows you to automatically fill in data based on a pattern you've provided. It can be used to save time and streamline data entry tasks by recognizing patterns and automatically populate the remaining cells. Let's say your boss wanted you to combine the first and last name into one column. You can use the concatenate to combine these two data sets. So let's say concatenate column B, comma, and then for the space, we can put it in quotation mark and then space. And now we select the next column and then close the bracket, enter. So you can see, so now we are able to do it using the concatenate. So in this case, we can just drag this. So you see now we have the names into one column. That is the first and last name. But we can also do this by using the flash fill. So to access the flash fill, you can just go to the home ribbon. So let me just delete because these are formulas, right? But let's say we wanted to use the flash fill. So using the flash fill, you don't have to use a formula. So you just go to the home ribbon and then select fill, and you can scroll down, you can see flash fill. So before you can use the flash fill, you have to give Excel an example of what you are trying to do. So in this case, let's just say Fuller space Camera. So this is the example. So now if we go to fill and select flash fill, you see, so Excel has populated the remaining cells using our example that we've just provided. So this is one way. So you can also, there is also a hotkey that you can use to use this flash fill, which is Control plus E. So now the next one, let's say these are the ID numbers, the first and last name abbreviation, the first letter in the first name, first letter in the last name of this individual plus the person year of birth is what gives us the ID number. So now let's say you wanted to extract just the year of birth. We can give Excel an example. We can just say 2018 for the first row. And now the next one, we can just say Control E. So you see, Excel has automatically extracted all the years of birth based on the example that we provided. So let's say the next one, we want to give the email addresses based on the first and last name. We say fuller.camara@fcamara.cpa. Let's say we wanted to populate this based on the first and last name. We wanted to create an email address database. So we can just say Control E. So you see, so now we have populated the email addresses based on the example we've provided. So now let's say we wanted to write a short message to each of these individuals based on their first name. So let's say, hi, Fuller. I hope you are doing well. So now this is the message that we wanted to send. So now we can use the flash fill by just using Control E. That is, so before you can use the Control E, you have to put the active cell should be immediately below the cell with the data. So you can just select the next cell below the one with the data. So now if we say Control E, you can see we have populated the message for each employee using the first example. So you see now instead of hi Fuller, you see Excel has said hi John, and when we go to Michael, you say hi Michael. So this is how to use the flash fill to save yourself time when you are doing data entry. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, like it, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.